So let's continue our NEET session. Next question, question number 132. Which organ act as filter of the blood by trapping blood-borne microorganisms? Clear? Which organ acts as filter here? He is asking filter of the blood, trapping blood-borne microorganisms. What do you mean of blood-borne? The organisms that are transmitted through blood. So A, spleen, B, liver, C, tonsils, and D, bone marrow. You all know that tonsils cannot be secondary lymphatic organ. Bone marrow, fine, primary lymphatic organ. Liver is responsible for detoxification. So spleen acts as a filter, fine, by trapping the blood-borne microorganisms here. Answer A is the correct answer for this question. Next is respiratory, digestive, and urogenital tract has a lining of mucus. This is very important here for the question to get the answer. Mucus along with lymph. This lining is known as A, mucosa associated tissue, fine. B, mucosa assisted lymphoid tissue, fine. MALT we have discussed. MALT, mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. This is the one, fine. It is not assisted, it is associated, is the correct word here. MALT, what we say is abbreviated as MALT, mucosal or mucosa associated lymphoid tissue, mucosa assisted tissue. So option here is option C is the correct answer, that is mucosa associated, or in while terminology it is also known as mucosal associated lymphoid tissue, that is known as MALT. Shortly we call it as MALT, MALT. It's a part of our lymphatic system. So this is what in respiratory, digestive, and urogenital tract. So it is lined by mucus. So this is the answer, fine. Mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. Now here a diagram is been given here. Which disease is indicated in this figure? Diagram is given. I'll lift this so that you can see properly how is this diagram look like in fact, fine. So this diagram, so the option here is A, facial palsy, B, dermatitis, C, ringworm, and D, roundworm. You all know that it's a ringworm disease, what we call as dermatophytosis caused by Trichophyton rubrum. So it is a ringworm disease wherein lesions are caused. Clear? So the next question, fine. In the context of lymphoid tissue, MALT, what is MALT here? Mucosal or mucosa associated lymphatic tissue constitutes about dash of the all lymphoid tissue in human body. Clear? Almost half of that is so 50% of the lymphoid tissue is of MALT, mucosal associated, because most of the tracts, either digestive, respiratory, and urogenital, reproductive, that is genital tract, are lined by mucus. So 50% of the lymphoid tissue is covered by mucosal associated lymphoid tissue here. Next, a group of symptoms is known as group of symptoms. I have told you many a times, many symptoms together are having many symptoms are collection of diseases or disorders, or collection of symptoms is what is known as syndrome. Fine, fusing, combining, syndrome. You all know infection, disease, collection. I have told you the definitions. So it is syndrome. Next, AIDS was first reported in the year dash. Fine. He is not asking in which country. So 1981. First reported is 1981. Then later in our country. Fine. So the death toll due to AIDS has crossed dash globally. So far, the number of people died due to AIDS, he is asking throughout the world, that is globally. How many people he is asking? The death toll due to AIDS has crossed dash globally, that is 2.5 billion, B 2,500 million, C 25 million, and D 250 million. So almost more than 25 million people. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So more than 25 million people so far have died because of HIV, because of AIDS infection. Next, AIDS is caused due to, you all very well know, very easy question, HIV. It's not DNA virus, TME virus, bacteriophage. TME, you all know, tobacco mosaic virus, the first virus to be find out, and it's a plant virus. Bacteriophage is of course a virus, D option, but that's a beneficial virus. DNA virus can't be. HIV, you all know HIV causes AIDS. Human immunodeficiency virus, retrovirus, fine. Reverse transcription, all those things you have to recall. Next is, HIV belongs to a group of viruses known as, just now I told you, retroviruses, because it has RNA as genetic material, and as well as along with that it has reverse transcriptase enzyme. So it belongs to a family of retroviridae. So you can answer as retroviruses. Invertovirus, metrovirus, flavivirus, all these are wrong answers. Retrovirus causing AIDS has which kind of genome? Fine, just now I told you RNA, fine, because it's a RNA virus, retroviruses, fine. So it's very easy question. So RNA B is the correct answer there. Next is, which of the following is not a means of transmission? Not a means of transmission of AIDS. She's asking not a means. Don't worry. Try to concentrate. Not sexual contact with uninfected person. B, transfusion of contaminated blood. So it causes sharing infected needles. It also causes child born to an HIV infected mother. It also causes, this is what we call as vertical transmission. I have told in the class also, vertical transmission through placenta from infected mother to the fetus. So the not means of transmission is sexual contact with uninfected. So uninfected person don't transmit the virus. So A is the correct answer here. Next one, time lag between infection and appearance of AIDS symptoms can be few months to dash years, 5 to 10 years, because in some people up to 8 to 10 years or up to 11 years also, fine, symptoms are not seen, so that is considered as incubation period. So it appears from few months to maximum up to 10 years. Clear? It's this type of patients are seen in Africa, where they have a very long incubation period as far as HIV infection is concerned. Next, retrovirus contains an enzyme to carry out biochemical activities in host. Name the enzyme. Just now I told you it is nothing but reverse transcriptase. That's why I told you in the 130th question to 132nd question to recall all concerning about HIV and AIDS. So reverse transcriptase, fine enzyme. A, polymerase. B, exonuclease. C, reverse transcriptase. D, ligase. So you all know that it is a reverse transcriptase enzyme that brings about a reverse transcription, what we call as Timinism, because it was first found out by Timin. Hence it is also known as Timinism or reverse transcription due to the enzyme reverse, because of the presence of an enzyme reverse transcriptase. What happens in reverse transcriptase? Based on RNA, DNA synthesized. You all know that, molecular biology part of that. Okay. Next is, the virus responsible for causing AIDS primarily infects which cells he is asking. Clear? One is monocytes, mast cells, mucosal cells, macrophages. It infects the macrophages. So it is C as the correct answer. Monocytes, mast cells, it don't infect. It infects macrophages, which are nothing but our defense mechanism cells, so that immunity decreases. Fine. Next, what is shown in the figure? So here a diagram is given. What is given? Diagram. This diagram is nothing but a drug here. Fine. So we have to find out. You have to find out which is this here. A, cannabinoid molecule. B, morphine. C, nicotine. And D, lobulin. Fine. Structure of lobulin and nicotine we have not studied. We have studied only two structures. So the first one, the main structure which is shown here is cannabinoid molecule. Fine. Obtained from cannabis sativa. So option A is the correct answer here. Next one, HIV enters which T cells? Very good question. Fine. Clear. HIV enters which T cells? Because there are four types of T cells here. One is T helper cells, that is TH cells, T promoter cells, TP cells, T suppressor cells, and cytotoxic cells. So it suppresses T helper cells. Fine. Clear. So that these cells don't help in the formation of antibodies or immunoglobulins. They won't help the B cells. Thereby, what happens here? Our immunity decreases. Clear. So answer is TH cells or T helper cells. Next, death in AIDS is due to what? How death occur is asking. A, aggravated immune response. No, aggravated means increased. Fine. B, due to opportunistic infection. Of course, I will explain you what is opportunistic infection. Due to inflammation of genitalia. It can't be. In this, it is in case of filariasis. Due to diarrhea and fever, they are different. So option B is the correct answer. Due to the opportunistic infection. What do you mean by that? Since our immune system is lowered, decreased, that's what we call as HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, AIDS acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Due to the decreased in immunity, low immunity, whatever the microorganisms their pathogens are there, they enter, and whenever they get an opportunity, they overcome, they cause pathogenicity, they show their pathogenicity. Such organisms, in these organisms, what we call opportunistic organisms or opportunistic pathogens, it includes our normal microflora also, like for example Entahistolytica, which is found present normally in our intestine. So whenever our immunity goes down or decreases, what happens here? This also causes infection. So classical example, so due to the opportunistic infection, that's how we get many diseases, many syndromes, many diseases and many disorders and many infections. That's what we call as altogether, fine, as syndrome. So it is due to opportunistic infection. I hope it's clear. Next one, AIDS can be detected by which diagnostic test? Vidal, you all know Vidal is used for typhoid. ELISA, I have told you, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. This is the answer. ELISA, it's a general technique. Don't be in a confusion that ELISA is used only for AIDS. I have told this point also clearly. It's also used for AIDS and also used to detect other viral infections. ELISA is a general technique wherein viral infections are detected. So this test is used to know the infection, viral infection in plants also. So basically ELISA, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. That's the answer. Next is the organization in India which is spreading awareness and educating people regarding AIDS in India is asking. Fine. Gramin Yojana, which is not. Health Ministry, of course no. National AIDS Control Organization, fine. NACO, fine. We have told you. NACO, National AIDS Control Organization is the agency or the organization which is spreading awareness about the occurrence and prevention of AIDS. So option C is the correct answer. Next one, NGO stands for, very easy, very simple, non-governmental organization. Most of you might be knowing NGOs. There are many NGOs which work in our country in the field of education and in the field of health. So such organizations which are non-governmental, which are not assisted by the government, are known as NGOs, non-governmental organizations. Next question, normal cells in our body inhibit the uncontrolled growth of cells which they are in contact with. This is known as, very good, fine, this is the property of normal cells which is lacked in cancerous cells. Now you might have got the clue. It is known as contact inhibition. This is not shown by cancerous cells. They keep on dividing and disturbing other tissues, so they lack contact inhibition, whereas the normal cells, natural cells, whenever they come in contact with other cells, they stop growing, they stop dividing, because they know that it is their limit. So with this property is a property of normal cells, whereas the carcinogens, cancer cells lack this property. So such property is known as contact inhibition. Next question, tumor is an abnormal mass. Now you might have understood that the questions have started on next topic, that is known as cancer. AIDS, we have completed the topic. Now about cancer. Tumor is an abnormal mass of what? It is cells. Clear? Next, the tumor which does not spread to other parts of the body is known as benign tumor. What tumor? Very easy. Many times we have told you, benign tumor or harmless tumor, or I have told you non-cancerous tumor. Such tumors will be surgically removed. They are test for pathology. They sent for pathological test. There the result come, it is a benign tumor or non-cancerous tumor. If it comes as benign tumor, fine, it is just a mass of cells, fine. If it is malignant, fine, that malignancy is the property of cancerous cells. It is a cancerous. So non-cancerous is benign. I have told you many a times, fine. So the cancerous cells which have the ability to proliferate and cause cancer in new location of the body are known as, clear? It is known as a malignancy or malignant. It cannot be benign. Lymphoma is a type of cancer that is nothing but the cancer of the lymph glands. Leukemia is also a type of cancer wherein the leukocytes increases. Normal number is about 7,000 to 9,000, or some references 7 to 9,000 also, fine. If it increases, fine, per cubic millimeter of cells, per cubic millimeter of blood, so such a condition is referred as leukemia, very dangerous cancer, blood cancer we call. But this property, the cancerous cells which have the ability to proliferate, is what is known as malignancy, due to which we come across secondary tumors or many other tumors. And this property of making many tumors is known as what? Yes, metastasis. Good. Next, cancer cells actively divide and grow due to competition of vital nutrients with normal cells. Of course, correct. We have seen the property of cancer cells. Competition of space with normal cells. This is also. But vital, fine, actively divide and grows due to, fine, competition for only support excess food material is stored in the body. Cannot be. Cancerous cells actively divide and grows due to competition for vital nutrients. Vital nutrients mean very important nutrients, macronutrients, to divide. So they uses that before the normal cells utilizes. So they divide rapidly, uncontrollably, to form tumors. Next, metastasis is normal equilibrium condition of the body. No. Morphological changes from larva to adult, that is metamorphosis. Don't be confused, fine. Some students may get confused due to the pronunciation or to the words. Metamorphosis is different. Metastasis is a property of cancerous cells. Next is generation of new tumor in different sites of the body. Just now I told you. So option C is the correct answer over there. So moving on to next question, that is the agents which causes neoplastic cancer generation are gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays. All of these neoplastic cell generation, all these gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, all these we consider as physical carcinogens. So all these rays causes neoplastic cell generation. Now neoplastic cell, new cells will generate. Which radiations can cause cancer? Visible light, UV light, infrared light, microwaves. Fine. We have told you just now also, you have learned UV rays as the physical carcinogens. So option B is the correct answer for radiations. Cancer causing viruses are known as oncoviruses or oncogenic viruses. Onco refers to cancer oncology. So it cannot be retroviruses. It is oncogenic viruses. Classical example we have told you, SV40 virus, and human papilloma virus, clear? HPV also, that we have discussed in the 4th chapter, and this we have discussed in 8th chapter. SV40, what do you mean by SV40? Simian virus 40 is a strain of that virus, so it causes cancer in human beings. Human papilloma virus also, it causes cancer. Fine. You have studied in the 4th chapter also. So these are the examples of oncogenic viruses. Kindly noted. Fine. Oncogenic viruses, due to they are the type of biological carcinogens. Few viruses causes cancer in human body. Such viruses are known as oncogenic viruses. Examples also I have told you. Fine. So do remember. Next question. The genes present in normal cells of the body which can cause cancer are known as oncogenes. Very easy. Onco refers to cancer. Onco refers to cancer, and genes are nothing but the genes which are responsible for rapid cell division. So such genes are referred as oncogenes. Other options are carcinogens. Fine, don't get confused. Fine, neogenes. Fine, tumorigenesis. Fine, these neogenes and tumorigenes and carcinogens are to confuse you. They are known as oncogenes. Fine, carcinomas, but not carcinogens. Okay. Next one, proto-oncogenes. Fine, are also abbreviated as, shortly written as, clear, CONC. Fine, CONC. C, carcinogenic or oncogenic. Fine, clear. Next one, blood and bone marrow tests are usually performed to detect blood and bone marrow. Blood also, bone marrow. What for? Leukemia. Leukemia is a type of blood cancer. Anemia is also a type of blood cancer, wherein the number of RBC cells decreases. There should be about 4.8 to 5.4 million per cubic millimeter of blood in normal adult healthy male and female. In female, little less comparatively. So leukemia, that won't be that much difference, because the anemia is not such a serious blood cancer, whereas leukemia is a very serious blood cancer. Fine, because their lifespan has to be less, and they should be only 7,000 to 9,000. As I told you in the above questions, their number increases rapidly. So leukemia, which test is done? Blood is done, and also bone marrow, because in the bone marrow this blood cells synthesis takes place, leukopoiesis takes place, all those things. Leukemia. Next, in case of dash, a piece of suspected tissue is cut into thin sections, stained and examined under microscope. Clear? This technique is what is referred as biopsy, wherein tissue is studied. So this is what is known as biopsy. So option B is the correct answer. Postmortem, it is a different thing. You all know what is postmortem. DNA fingerprinting you have studied. Pedigree also you have studied in genetics. DNA fingerprinting also you studied in molecular biology. So it is known as biopsy, where cells are studied, pathologicals, their nature, their behavior or their changes are studied in biopsy. Clear? So next question. Cancer of infected organs can be detected by A, radiography, correct. B, CT. What is CT? Stands for computed tomography. What is it? Write down computed by using computer. Tomography. It is what is known as CT scan. MRI. You have studied in physics also. MRI, magnetic resonance index. So MRI scan also. Thereby the answer is D. All of these. Clear? Next one. In which technique 3D the image of the internals of an objected are generated? I repeat. In which technique 3D image of the internals of an objected are generated? A, electron microscopy. B, radiography. C, computed tomography. Just now I told you CT scan, so it is nothing but computer tomography. CT scan is correct answer here, wherein the 3D images of internal organs are taken out. MRI uses a strong, next question, MRI uses strong magnetic field and dash radiations to detect pathological and physiological changes. Fine. They uses what? Non-ionizing. He says A ionizing, B non-ionizing, laser. Fine. You all know what is laser. Light amplified stimulated emission of radiation. So that's not the answer. Non-ionizing radiations. MRI uses strong magnetic field and non-ionizing radiations to detect pathological and physiological changes in the cells and tissues, so that they can detect the tumors. Next question. Tobacco smoke primarily causes A. mouth cancer, B. lung cancer, C. breast cancer, and D. bladder cancer. You all know tobacco, nicotine is responsible for lung cancer because it is smoke that enters into our lungs and alveoli, causes lung cancer. To some extent later it may cause mouth cancer, throat cancer also. Basically, generally, usually, so it is lung cancer. Next is the common approach for treatment of cancer are A. surgery, B. radiation therapy, C. immunotherapy, D. all of these. All of these, basically we have studied chemotherapy, fine, radiotherapy, immunotherapy, and then surgery, and also I have spoken about gene therapy also, but here 3 options are correct, so answer is D. all of these. Next question. Anti-cancerous drugs. You all know what do you mean by anti-cancerous drugs? Anti-cancer drugs have the following side effects. A. hair loss, of course correct. B. anemia, that's also correct. C. vomiting, that's also correct. Thereby D option, all of these is the correct option. Fine. Next is for the treatment of cancer, biological response modifiers such as dash are given. What are given here? B. interferons, gamma interferons, fine, alpha interferons, delta interferons, fine. What are given here? Alpha interferons are given here, so our answer is C, fine. All are interferons, fine. They are usually given to the cancer that are produced by viruses. You all know what do you mean by interferons. Clear? We have told you many times. Next question. Heroin is commonly known as smack. It's a drug. Heroin is a drug, sedative drug, fine. Hence it's commonly known as smack. Other names they are given as angel dust, no, coke, marijuana is a different drug, fine, clear. So heroin is also known as smack. It is a sedative drug. Smack is chemically, what he is asking, smack is chemically diacetyl morphine. No, diacetyl morphine is correct. Don't get confused, just spellings they have given wrong here. B. diacetyl morphine is correct, fine. So B option is correct. And C is dimethyl, they have not wrong. Dihydromorphine, wrong. Diacetyl morphine. Morphine is obtained from, very easy question, fine. A. erythroxylum coca, where cocaids are obtained. Atropa belladonna, fine. No. Cannabis sativa, where cannabinoids are obtained. Papaver somniferum, poppy plant. We have told you many times in the previous NEET class. I have shown you the plant also how it looks like, fine. So the answer is Papaver somnifera, commonly known as poppy plant, from which morphine is obtained. Next. Heroin is a dash drug. Just now I told you, fine. Sedative, that is nothing but depressant, fine. I told the word sedative. You can write down that word also. Sedative means it lowers the activity of your nervous system. Such drugs are known as depressant. People feel cool, relaxed, depressant, fine. So sedative. Such drugs are known as sedative drugs. So if this terminology is there, this is also the answer. Depressant or sedative, B is correct. Excitatory, which excites, fine, which stimulates your nervous system. Hallucinogens, hallucinic. Fine. Hallucinogens means they give you different thoughts, extraordinary thoughts, fine. Superman like thoughts, I have told you what are those. And euphoric, fine. That's that kick, what we call euphoria, that in that hangover, what is known as in common language. That's not the answer. Depressant is correct. Next is morphine is extracted from dash of the poppy plant, either leaf or latex or fruit and flower. Latex, what is it obtained from? Latex, B. Okay. Next, cannabinoids are obtained from dash, comma, dash and dash of cannabis sativa. He's asking you cannabinoids, the drugs which are obtained from, you all know that it is obtained from cannabis sativa plant. So from which part of the plant he's asking? Option A, leaves, flowers and fruits. Option B, leaves, flower tops and resins. C, leaves, flower and latex. Can't be flower, seed and tannins. You all know it is from leaves and flower tops and also through resins what is secreted. So we'll continue in the next class another 20 questions are there, and I don't think we can complete. So this 20 questions I will do in the next class most probably. Thereby we can complete 210 questions. If other questions are there, you can contact me on WhatsApp, clarify your doubts. Keep studying. God bless you. Good luck. Take care.